from this.
No dying. This is awesome.
The only way you die is if you seriously were going over the speed limit and we decided that you can't control any longer.
Only a dumper. It takes a video of a lot of people.
That's nothing right now, Jason, because you got officers up here right now.
Wow, look at that parking lot.
Yeah, it's flooded. They are closed the road up
Whoa!
Holy crap. People aren't getting out of here.
there. Yeah, they blocked the road up here.
They're ma-
Jason.
Are they turning people around?
Yeah. And take a look. You can't go.
Well, if the cop's sitting there, I'll ask him, like, how do we get to the mall from here? Go down that road, turn left, and just go around.
Aren't you going to ask the officer?
No, we can get there, just go around.
But they got up there blocked too. Yeah, this is retarded. That's why I did not want to leave the house today.
Yeah, I think fireworks are out of the question. That is funny. Holy shit!
I hope it stops raining. Hey, you splashed us.
Yeah, follow these guys. Maybe they know where they're going.
That guy's in front of us. It looks like he knows
Oh yeah, this takes us. I know where we're going now.
Okay,
I'm serious. You need to stop at a store again.
You gotta poop?
we're almost to the mall.
Hell.
Not nice.
We're almost to the mall. All right.
Well,
Where's
possibly.
my phone? Trevor, where'd you put it? In there. Hey, how do you zoom in on this on the video?
It's fucking crazy. We're better off taking a boat today.
Seriously? Let's just sit here and watch. We got nothing better else to do. That's funny. They better know they can't.
The flags of July 4th tomorrow, you know.
Yeah, but y'all can make
Gotta turn around, homeboy. It's blocked up there.
That's part of the neighborhood code. You should have came to the meeting.
Damn!
See that girl's
Yeah, we were at the church.
Yeah.
What's the answer?
Sinkhole.
God. It's at a sinkhole.
That's that's awesome.
No, it's not.
Well, we made it to Martin Luther King.
I've never seen it.
They're gonna scare the poop right out of you, Trev?
Huh?
That's gonna scare the poop right out of you?
Damn, look at that parking lot. You could.
Oh, we need to run, Daddy. I'm here.
That's awesome! The parking lot at the mall is like a pool, a lake.
You guys bring bathing suits?
I did. I wish. Look at him. He's flying. Oh my goodness.
Oh, they just.
Look at the monster truck.
Look at the car. He's like, I'm not doing that.
Look at that red car.
Look at it, it's all the water's over the fire hydrant.
Wow, look at that truck. They're like, oh, I'm not going. Look at this red, look at that maroon truck over here.
Oh my God, look at that white car. Oh my God.
Oh
Wow.
my gosh. Oh, look at the van. The front tires are out.
Oh my gosh, pretty soon the cars are going to start floating away. Yeah.
Oh man, this is great.
No, it's not.
And not really, not since we're going there.
Right.
Oh, really? I can't even get over there, can I?
How's that?
Can I get in there?
He's
No,
out.
he's not letting anybody go over there.
We don't want to go to the.
mall's off limits now.
No, we're going to the mall.
Yeah, the house.
Well-
That is my dad's.
Yeah.
So he doesn't have any reason to hit the dog because that's his dog.
Oh no, trust me, Jason will make an excuse to hit my dog. Jason's a jackass with
Yeah.
animals.
Hey,
That is true. You hit every single animal that you have. No wonder no dogs, no animals like you because you are abusive to them.
Probably a cat you would hit.
No, he'd probably go back and shoot it.
That's cool.